Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Meaghan.
And I'm Andrea Osvold.
And we're from One Agora Integrative Health. And we've put out an ebook on how to balance hormones naturally. And we really put all of our expertise into one ebook. Because when it comes to hormones, both Andrea and I, we've treated hormones for a long time. And we're both very passionate about it. But we find that there's a lot of resources that people can use and utilize both in functional medicine and in more Oriental acupuncture points to really be able to get somebody's hormones balanced. And so we put it all in one place with this Balancing Hormones Naturally ebook. So for my portion of it in the functional medicine, I really went into explaining hormones because a lot of times I think that women don't understand what they can do and how hormones work. I really went into some of the tools that I give patients in order to help balance their hormones. And then Andrea comes in for the other part of it to really talk about Oriental medicine and acupressure points and what you can do there to help to balance.
Yeah, so in the sections of the book about Oriental medicine, we talk a little bit about diagnosis, how you can do things like look at your tongue, evaluate your symptoms, and use those tools just to figure out what the best treatment is, like which herbs are best, which acupressure points are best. And it's all kind of just laid out really like in a nice way that makes it simple and kind of demystifies it a little bit.
And I just think that's so important. So it's really about, putting out the information there. I know now people want to really take control of their own health. And this book is meant to empower and educate. So definitely, guys, check it out.